black square on Ring Doorbell camera. So if you want to fix the black square on your Ring Doorbell camera, then it's because of a privacy zone. Privacy zone lets you control what you want to see and what you don't. In the Ring app, you can black out designated areas within your camera's field of view so that they are not viewable in live view or recorded in your videos. For example, if your doorbell displays a neighbor's entry door in its view, you can block that area out so you don't disturb your neighbor's privacy. But in some cases, that privacy zone automatically builds up. So if you want to remove that black square on your Ring Doorbell camera, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open the Ring app. Once you open the Ring app, you need to tap on the three-barred menu and then tap on Devices and then select a desired device and then tap on Device Settings. On the Device Settings, you need to tap on Privacy Settings. Once you're under the Privacy Settings, you need to select the zone you wish to delete and then tap on Edit Privacy Zones and then tap on the bin icon and you can confirm the deletion of that zone. And in that way, you'll be able to delete that privacy zone or that black square. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.